We want you to send a message. Let people understand that actually these roads can be done and they will be done. Let them know that you can benefit from these minerals. If it was some other people that own these minerals, you would be having cities here. You will be having trains crossing here. It is possible. It is possible. If this part here was in Kenya, it will not be like here. If this part here was in a country that has very well, if it had a country that had good governance, it will not be like here.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.